Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we have another question. It looks so much fun and this is quite big. We also need to know how to solve it. It got a trick and the trick is very simple. So let's keep watching and find out what is the trick and how to solve this question, okay? So first we have to notice that the first term is 2025 and the second term here we got 2025 square, okay? And we just take 2025 square in common for the first two terms, then we will get 2025 square, and then we got 2025 minus 2024, okay? All right, and then next for the last two terms here we got 2024 square and here is 2024 cube, so we can take negative of 2024 square in common, and then it will be 2025. So the sign here will change because we take the negative sign in common, then it will change to negative 2024, okay? So now we got here is 1 and here is also 1, so it will be 2025 square multiplied with 1, but we don't need to multiply with 1 because it's still the same, okay? And then minus 2024 square. So in this case we have to use a square minus b square, so that will be equal to a minus b factor a plus b, okay? So we are using this formula again, okay? And then it will be 2025 minus 2024 factor 2025 plus 2024, okay? So this is equal to 1, so that will be 1 times 4049. So a is equal to 4049 is the answer, okay? Now I have solved this question and I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.